How to source article on Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to source articles on Reddit app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. Once you open the Reddit app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in on Reddit app, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the source icon. Tap on it. Now source the article according to your preference. If you want to know more about the global economy, just simply tap global economy. You will get articles related to global economy. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna source articles on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Reddit application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.